Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings and enabling Digital Wellbeing. This is the Android feature that tracks app use. Tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, then follow prompts to update or install components. Give the app notification and usage access when asked, because without those permissions, data won't record. Choose the user profile or child account you want to manage now, and sign into Google if required. Once done, you're ready to create limits. Move to the next step to set precise apps. You'll use Dashboard to assign timers. Tap each app and set a daily limit, for example, 1 hour. Timers stop app access at the limit, so choose realistic values and adjust as you test. Then configure focus mode to pause groups of distracting apps during work or study. Pick days and start/stop times. For nights, enable bedtime mode or a schedule that dims the screen and mutes notifications. Make sure to check Always Allowed apps so essential services remain usable. You finish by reviewing exceptions. Confirm which apps are always allowed and adjust notification settings to avoid bypassing limits. If timers don't apply, you should check usage access and background restrictions. Sometimes permissions reset after updates. If problems persist, reboot the phone, update Android to the latest patch, or clear digital well-being data and recreate rules. That resolves most sync issues. One key tip: verify any third-party launchers or battery savers aren't interfering with app usage reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.